Packing for a cruise takes a lot more organization than packing for other vacations. For first-time cruisers, packing for a cruise can be a little bit overwhelming. Hi, I'm Kristen from thebargainchasingtourist.com. I've been cruising since 2000 and I actually worked on board cruise ships for 5 years, so I'm used to packing for the small spaces where the crew members live.
So let me help you avoid making some common cruise packing mistakes, starting with not giving yourself enough time to shop and pack.
So my first cruise packing tip is to start early. I started packing for this cruise about a month in advance. I know that may seem a little bit too early, but it allows me to organize and determine what I still need to buy, what I can take out of my suitcase, and it makes it less likely that I'm going to forget something that I truly need on the cruise. My next cruise packing tip is to get out all of the clothes that you want to bring on your cruise. Spread them all out in your space at home. This allows me to see everything, think about what I need to bring with that outfit as far as shoes, as far as shapewear, strapless bra, those kind of things. I'm very visual, so this helps me get an idea of everything I need to pack, not just the clothes. And then you need to try everything on. Even if you've worn it before, you want to try everything on, the complete look, so that you know you have everything you need for that outfit.
The next cruise packing mistake is probably the most common, which is overpacking. A lot of people overestimate the size of a stateroom, but cruise cabins are usually more compact than hotel rooms, especially inside staterooms. Cruise ship bathrooms are also quite a bit smaller than a hotel.
Cruise ship bathrooms are notoriously small, especially when you're sharing with other people. So the hanging toiletry bags behind me are essential. Also for the girls that want to bring so much makeup, this is all the space you have for storage. You really need to scale back. That's why I love my IT palette and my MAC singles. The other thing you want to get is a compressible makeup bag.
There's not a lot of counter space in the stateroom either for your personal items, so the more things you can hang, the better. I like to bring a hanging toiletry bag and a hanging tech bag. You can't always find everything in a travel size or fit the product into a travel bottle.
Some things that I can't find in travel size, like my contact cleanser. This I was not able to get in a travel size. I only brought a little bit of each one, and then at the end of the cruise, whatever's left is going to go in the trash. Now, some cruises give you body wash, lotion, soap. Royal Caribbean does not. They give you a combination body wash and shampoo, which I don't like. So I cut a bar soap in half. At the end of the cruise, whatever's left, this will be thrown away. So this is a new product that I bought for this cruise, these little containers, and they hold products that are too thick to go in a squeeze bottle, like my face creams, my proactive cleanser, and this is the only one that I saw that comes with a little spatula. So it's really helpful when you're packing and transferring the product in. You don't lose all the product to your hands.
Yes, you probably need more clothes for a cruise than for a hotel stay because you're packing for dinner and for different activities and excursions. But don't get into the mindset that you need 2 to 3 outfit changes per day. For sea days, I like to pack 1 or 2 outfits that I rewear. So on Caribbean or Mexican cruises, I live in a casual sundress over a swimsuit. For Alaska cruises, it's leggings and sweatshirts. And you don't need 7 different outfits for dinner either. I like to rewear my dinner attire as well, and then I will plan out a different outfit for each port. Now let's talk about the actual packing itself. I like packing cubes to store socks, pajamas, swimsuits, and underwear. And then I will roll my thicker clothing around the packing cubes in my suitcase. And then I will fold my dresses for dinner kind of around each other on top to try to avoid wrinkling. I definitely recommend securing your underwear in packing cubes. Back when I was flying to meet the cruise ships I worked on, I packed my suitcase pretty messily. And on one trip, security had actually rummaged through my suitcase. They hadn't zipped it up completely. And then when the suitcases were going around the baggage carousel, I saw a couple pairs of my underwear actually rotating completely separate from my suitcase around the baggage carousel. And I was so embarrassed I didn't pick them up. So now I definitely always use packing cubes.
Your shoes weigh down your suitcase the most, so this is something really important to organize. You want to think of your outfits in a way that you can wear a versatile shoe repeatedly throughout the cruise. You also want to wear your heaviest shoes on your travel day so you don't have to pack them.
So this is the last night of the cruise, and cruises are a little bit different than other vacations where you stay in a hotel because you actually have to put your luggage out in the hall on the last night. This allows the crew to transport all the luggage off the ship into the terminal in the morning. And so avoiding all of the guests carrying their luggage throughout the ship and clogging up all the elevators on the last morning. So it's really important that, yes, you pack your things away, but you keep those essential items that you need on the last morning of the cruise, like your clothes, because once you put your suitcases out in the hall, your luggage is going to be gone. You won't be able to access it. I'm Kristen from thebargainchasingtourist.com. Do you have any cruise packing tips? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this type of cruise content, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you at sea.